Hindu cooking tips that can help you lose weight. Some have said that following a Hindu diet can help you lose several pounds in a month. However, these Hindu cooking tricks will not only help us lose weight, they will also help us feel healthier. Do you want to know what they are? Keep reading. Information about Hindu cooking. It is important to know a few things about Indian cooking. Knowing more will help you better integrate it into your diet. Ultimately, this information can help you to lose weight. Don't mix carbohydrates and proteins. Choose good food. The most important thing is quality, not quantity. Eat brown rice and vegetables. Eat fresh fruits, especially citrus. Eat 3 meals a day and a snack of denatured yogurt or fruit. But only if you are hungry. Chew 100 times per mouthful. This helps increase your digestion. Drink 2 liters of water and green tea every day. Exercise. The best thing is to take a 40-minute walk every day. Hindu recipes have been influenced by many different countries. These include Mongolia, Portugal, and England. The consequence of this mixture is a cuisine with a big personality. It stands out due to its variety of condiments. They say that those born in India have a better ability to identify flavors than people born in the West. Hindu food is also different because it doesn't use beef. Cows are considered sacred in this religion. They also don't use many dairy products. Instead, they use a butter called ghee. They also eat a liquid yogurt known as lassi. Other ingredients that they commonly use are rice, chicken, and lamb. They also have a large amount of vegetarian dishes. This is due to the fact that many Hindus follow the precept of no violence. This means they will not eat any kind of meat. Some of the different ways food is prepared are: Bagar, cooking and seasoning with spices. Tandar, marinating foods with spices and yogurt. Then, cooking them in an oven. Korma, on hot coals. The food has a thick consistency. This is because they add yogurt, milk, or cream. Dhungar, steamed. Dhum, the food is buried in hot coals. Food, Hindu, Ayurveda, and weight loss. In India, one of the largest countries in the world, a big relationship exists between food and well-being. This relationship includes both alternative medicine and weight loss. This is because the food is the medicine. It helps us to feel healthy and strong. Like we said before, Hindu dishes have a lot of spices. Some examples are curry, cardamom, and cumin. These stimulate the body, increase your core temperature, and help to lose weight. This is the reason the Indian foods help us lose weight. Some Hindu cooking tricks include the use of spices and condiments. But, for greater variety, we will offer various options. Turmeric leaves. These deep green leaves can be used for salads and sauces. And they can be eaten raw or cooked. They help your stomach and digestive tract work correctly. They also help maintain weight loss or to continue losing weight. At the same time, turmeric leaves have medicinal properties. They can be used to treat diarrhea, dysentery, and diabetes. Dill? This is a traditional food of India. It has dried peas, lentils, and beans. This food is served with rice and chapati bread. Dill has a high protein content. This makes it very satisfying. It also takes longer to digest than other foods. This means you will be less likely to be hungry for several hours after eating it. This also helps with weight loss. Cilantro. This is an aromatic herb that has diuretic properties. It helps to get rid of liquids and toxins through urine. Also, it is in the same family as parsley and celery. For alternative medicine, it is used to reduce intestinal gas, abdominal inflammation, and purifying the blood. Legumes and cereals. Legumes are cooked both shelled and split to be easier to digest. Talking about cereals, without a doubt rice is the base of Hindu food. The most known type is basmati rice. It has a large amount of fiber and helps to make you feel full. You can also add a little wheat, corn, and millet. Drinks. Staying hydrated helps to regulate your appetite. And, sometimes when we think we are hungry, we are really only thirsty. To drink 2 liters of water a day and stay hydrated, you can try some of these Hindu drinks. Lassi liquid yogurt. Chai tea with spices. Nimbu pani lemonade. Coconut water. Finally, when talking about Ayurveda foods, there are 3 kinds of dosas. Each one is related to certain body types. Knowing which is your type can help you figure out what you need to eat. It also helps you to figure out what you need to avoid. This is all to help your well-being and weight loss. Vata, someone with a light or dainty composition. They are usually hungry all the time and have irregular digestion. It is recommended that they eat heavier dishes. These include soups, stews, and pasta with a sauce. Pide, someone with a medium composition. They feel intense hunger and thirst. They get frustrated if food isn't on time and tend to eat more. It is recommended that they eat salads and cold drinks. They should not eat heavy foods or meat. Kapha, someone with a stocky composition. They have a slow digestion and a medium appetite. They should avoid milk products, sweets, and fats. They should try to eat fruits and vegetables. It is advised that they try to eat carrots, squash, celery, cabbage, and lettuce.